allows you to customize your home screen in a couple of different ways. The first way is by adding or removing shortcuts that appear directly under your search bar right on the main screen. So I can hover over any of these icons and you'll see that I get 3 dots, and those dots allow me to either edit the shortcut or remove it altogether. So maybe I don't want a direct link to the web store to be hanging out on my Google screen. I can remove it. I can also add different shortcuts. So if you have specific websites that you get to every single day, maybe right as soon as you log onto your computer, or every time you open up a new tab, you want access to certain things, then you can set up to 10 different shortcuts right below your Google search bar. So I'll show you quickly how that works. I can add a shortcut. I can put in our website, and then I will just put in the address and hit done. And now that shortcut appears and it will take me to our website. Now I also want to show you that the icon will take its place of whatever you've typed into the circle once you have gone away and come back to this page on Google. So the other way that you can customize your Google screen is by going down here to the bottom and saying Customize Chrome. And here you have the ability to change some of the coloring if you would like to do that. Some people like it to be a darker screen, others like it to be lighter, so you do have the ability to change that. Choose a preset color combination, and here's where you can actually turn off the shortcuts. If you just want it to be a plain Google screen with no shortcuts in the way, then you can toggle that off. You can also toggle it right back on if you would like to. So the other thing that you can do is right up here on Change Theme, you can upload your own image. So if you want to, if this is your school computer and you want to be able to put your team mascot or the school logo, you can do that. So I'm going to show you really quickly. I have our logo ready and available. And as soon as I do that, it appears right on my Google home screen. So that's a way for you to customize things and just make it look a little bit nice, especially if you constantly display your computer up on an interactive whiteboard for everyone to see.